Nick here. Today I've got a review for you on the UGT Master 5th Gen sniper rifle for airsoft. And today what we're going to be covering is accuracy testing, FPS, and some other great stuff. So let's start off with the accuracy testing. As you can see down there is my target in the woods. And let's go with the accuracy testing. As you can And as you can see, that yellow mark right there, that was pretty accurate, but you just gotta zero in your scope well, and you can have it good. And now we are going to go over the scope. So, as you can see, there are two windage and yard things. So, and what you want to do is, depending on how many yards away, you're going to want to change your sniper rifle certain clicks. And if you do that good, then you'll have great accuracy with this thing. And so yeah, and the scope overall is a really good scope. You can see pretty easily through it. And it's just all around a good scope. So, and it shoots around 500 FPS with, well, my preferred BB, the 28 gram BB, and I use 28 gram Elite Force BBs, and I got 5,000 of them. So that about wraps it up for this video. And next airsoft review, I will be covering a shitty pistol that I got. So here we go, and bye.